In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make Times New Roman default on Word on your Mac computer. So, if you come up to here and change the font to Times New Roman, it will auto default back to the original when you restart Word. So, how do we change the default text? Come up to Format here, then select Font. Now, in the font section, drop this down and find Times New Roman. Select it, then come down to Default here in the bottom left hand corner, and then you want to select Based on all documents on the normal template. Then press OK, then OK again. And then now, whenever you restart Word on your Mac, Times New Roman will be the default on Word. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.